Everyone, this is Ritik Rajesh, and once again, it's nice to see you all. Um, I'm excited to share my next task with Pinnacle Full-Stack Interns, where I coded a task manager. I used HTML to code the website. I used CSS to style it, and lastly, I used JavaScript for a lot of the user interactivity. And I even used local storage, which is a cool feature I'll dive into later. Now let's go and dive into see how I actually coded the project. My index.html page. This includes all of the major parts of the task manager. I have the task input form. I have buttons to filter based on like task status, and I also have a task list. Here's my styles. Um, it will probably make a lot more sense if I just show it to you, but if you want, you can always check and see exactly how I coded it, which in my GitHub, which I will post the link to. And lastly, here's my JavaScript. I had a lot of variables and a lot of things I had to check and make a lot of conditions for. But in the end, I eventually was able to successfully complete this. And now let's go and show the final result of it. So this is the basic layout for the web page. And I just created a title called Task Manager. And um, let's just say I wanted to add a task. Let's name it Complete Pinnacle Full Stack Interns Task. And let me just click the Add Task button, and there we go. So right here it shows what the task description is, and here it shows the status. Now if I hover over this, I could change the task status. So let's say if this task was in progress, now it will show that the task is in progress. And if I wanted to filter by task, I can just click one of these buttons. Let's say if I wanted to see the in progress task, I click the in progress button. If I wanted to click the completed tasks, whoops, oh, it's gone now. That's because the task is not completed. But if I click the in progress button again, it will show. Same thing happens with the not started button. So you can also edit tasks with this. If you just click the edit button, it will just give an input box. So let's say I change this to start new Pinnacle Full Stack Interns task. So now this task has a new name. I can change the status to not started. And now if I were to filter by in progress, it would not show. Same thing with completed, but if I were to filter it not started, it will show. Lastly, if you change this task status to completed, there's a couple of interesting features. Firstly, the task description will now have a strike through to indicate that the task is completed. Also, if you were to click the edit button, there would be a pop-up message saying that you cannot edit a completed task. Lastly, if I wanted to delete a task, I can just click the delete button and it's gone. Now I wanted to show you what the cool feature about local storage is, so I'm just going to re-add the task. So now I have the task here, but let's say I accidentally just reloaded the page. Oh no. Well, it's still there. Yep, local storage basically just stores all client-side data, and just whenever like a client is trying to um, open open the web page, it will show all the existing tasks for them, which I think is pretty cool. So this is my task manager task that I completed for with my internship at Pinnacle Full-Stack Interns. Thanks for watching, and once again, I would like to thank Pinnacle Full-Stack Interns for this opportunity. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.